Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming essentials so the load process won't fail. Sign into Globe One with your Globe number and confirm your identity. Once done, make sure your internet or mobile data is stable and your payment method is ready. Open the app, tap the main menu, then choose the load or buy load option. You do this first so the rest flows quickly. Verifying payment and connection now prevents interruptions during authorization or confirmation steps. You now pick the exact load amount or bundle that matches your needs and the recipient. Once selected, choose the payment source, card, Gcash, or your linked bank, because each provider may authorize differently. Make sure the recipient number is correct. Double-check to avoid sending credit to the wrong line. Review any fees or prompts and then tap Pay or Confirm. After authorization, wait for the success message and SMS confirmation so you know the transaction completed successfully. You finish by verifying the receipt inside Globe One and the SMS confirmation. Keep a screenshot for records. Once completed, check the balance to confirm delivery. If the load fails, try clearing the app cache, force close and reopen Globe One, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data before retrying. If your card was charged yet the load didn't arrive, contact Globe support with your receipt and timestamp. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.